Hello everyone, this is Valentine from Sheetgo. In this video I'm going to show you how to consolidate multiple Excel files inside your Google Sheets. So this handles two different things. How do we consolidate multiple files into one spreadsheet in Google Sheets? And of course also how do we import this Excel data into Google Sheets? So I will put the link in the description, but to automatically upload Excel files like this Leads Region A file to your Google Sheets, you install the backup and sync software from Google Drive. Once you store it in the right folder, this will automatically back up and sync to your Google Drive. I will show you here. In the computer tabs, I find my folder Excel files. Let me click on it here. And then we can find the leads of region A, B, and C inside this folder. By right-clicking on them, you make sure to store them in your drive and use them in Google Sheets. Add to my drive, there you go. So now we want to import all this information, so consolidate these three Excel files into this spreadsheet in Google Sheets called Sales Leads All Region. We will start the Sheetgo adding by pressing Start. If you do not have it installed yet, you can click on Get Add-ons and install it for free. A sidebar pops up on the right side of your screen, and by hovering this plus sign, you can choose to import data. As a data source, we will select the three Excel files, of course. By default, you will see your most recent files here, so we will choose Leads Region A, Region B, and Region C. There we go. And now, by clicking Save Connection, this will consolidate all this information from Excel into your one Google Sheet spreadsheet. So as you can see here, the connection was updated and we have consolidated all the Excel data from every region into this one Google Sheet spreadsheet. If you have any questions about this, please comment below and make sure to join our Sheetgo community where you'll find all the answers to your questions. I will put the link in the description as well. Thank you very much.